In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a scatter plot in Tableau. Scatter plots are a great way to visually represent the relationship between two variables, and in this tutorial, we'll explore this using life expectancy data. So, let's dive in. First, start by launching your Tableau application. If you haven't done so already, ensure that it's installed and ready to open on your computer. Once you have Tableau running, access your worksheet. This is your main canvas where all the magic happens. Now, for this demonstration, we're going to use a data set that includes information on life expectancy and adult mortality. Once you've accessed your worksheet, let's load up our life expectancy data by bringing it into the workspace. The next step is to set up your columns and rows in Tableau. Take the variable adult mortality and drag it to the column shelf. This action will set it as the x-axis in our scatter plot, helping us to observe how it correlates with life expectancy. Similarly, you'll want life expectancy to be represented on the y-axis, so go ahead and drag this variable to the rows shelf. This setup will essentially define the fundamental axes of our scatter plot. For a more comprehensive visualization, include a detail level for each data point by dragging country onto the detail shelf. Now each data point is tied to a country, giving us a richer context in our visualization. As we look to calculate the average, navigate to the life expectancy drop-down menu, click on Measure, and then choose Average. Do the same for adult mortality to ensure that what we're looking at is representative and standardized. Next, find the year field. Right-click on it and select Convert to Discrete. Doing this will treat the year as an independent category rather than a continuous measure. Then drag Year to Detail, allowing us to see different data points for different years. Moving forward, convert your chart to a circle chart by changing from Automatic to Circle in the drop-down. Adjusting the sizes of the circles is simple. Click on Size and maneuver the slider to your liking for better visual clarity. Further focus can be drawn by creating a set. Right-click on Country, select Create, and choose Set. From here, pick a specific country you're interested in examining closer and click OK. With your set created, drag it onto Color. This step will help differentiate the data points, making your chart more readable. Finally, add trend lines for additional insight. Right-click on your sheet, navigate to Trend Lines, and select Show Trend Line. These lines will provide visual cues on trends across your data, making your analysis even more robust. And there you have it, a complete scatter plot in Tableau illustrating the relationship between life expectancy and adult mortality across different countries. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found it insightful. Happy plotting!